Top 5 Detox Drinks for Clean Kidneys. Your kidneys work hard every day to filter toxins, but sometimes they need a little extra support. In this video, we'll show you top 5 detox drinks that naturally cleanse your kidneys, boost filtration, and keep your urinary system healthy, all with refreshing, easy-to-make beverages. Lemon water. Lemon water is one of the simplest and most effective detox drinks for cleansing the kidneys naturally. Lemons are rich in citric acid, a compound that helps break down kidney stones and prevents new ones from forming. By increasing citrate levels in the urine, lemon water reduces crystal buildup, allowing your kidneys to filter more smoothly. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning helps kickstart hydration after a long night, supporting your kidneys as they flush out toxins. Proper hydration is essential for kidney health because it dilutes waste products and reduces pressure on the filtering system. Lemon water also encourages urine production, helping the body eliminate excess sodium and waste more efficiently. This refreshing drink is packed with antioxidants, especially vitamin C, which fights inflammation and protects kidney tissues from oxidative stress. For older adults or people managing diabetes, lemon water offers a gentle, low-calorie way to support hydration without spiking blood sugar. To prepare, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water. Drink it daily before breakfast to maximize detox benefits. You can also add a few slices of fresh lemon throughout the day to keep hydration steady. Tip: avoid adding sugar, as it can irritate the kidneys. Stick to plain or lightly infused lemon water for the best results. With consistent intake, lemon water helps you stay hydrated, supports filtration, and promotes cleaner, healthier kidneys naturally. Cucumber Mint Detox. Cucumber Mint Detox Water is one of the simplest and most refreshing drinks you can use to support clean, healthy kidneys. Cucumbers are made up of more than 95% water, making them a powerful natural hydrator. Proper hydration is essential because it helps the kidneys flush out toxins, dilute waste, and maintain smooth filtration. When your kidneys receive enough water, they can remove excess sodium, urea, and metabolic waste more efficiently. Cucumbers also contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help ease the burden on the kidneys. Their natural cooling effect soothes the urinary system, making this drink especially beneficial for people who experience irritation, burning, or frequent urination. Adding fresh mint takes this detox drink to another level. Mint leaves help relax the urinary tract muscles, promoting easier flow and reducing discomfort. They also support digestion, which indirectly benefits kidney health by reducing overall toxin load in the body. Together, cucumber and mint create a gentle yet effective detox drink that refreshes, cools, and supports kidney function without stressing your system. To make it, simply add thin cucumber slices and a handful of mint leaves to a jug of water. Let it infuse for a few hours or overnight for maximum benefits. Drink it throughout the day, especially in the morning, to get hydration started early. This simple detox drink helps you stay hydrated, eases kidney strain, and supports natural cleansing, making it an excellent daily habit for cleaner and healthier kidneys. Ginger tea reduces inflammation and boosts filtration. Ginger tea is a powerful, natural drink that supports kidney health by reducing inflammation and enhancing filtration. Ginger contains potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds like gingerols, which help protect the delicate tissues of the kidneys from oxidative stress and cellular damage. This is especially important for seniors or anyone looking to maintain healthy kidney function. Regular consumption of ginger tea can improve circulation and support the body's natural detoxification processes. Better blood flow to the kidneys helps optimize filtration, ensuring toxins and waste products are efficiently removed from the body. This simple habit can reduce the burden on the kidneys, helping them function more effectively over time. Making ginger tea is simple. Slice fresh ginger root and steep it in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. You can add a squeeze of lemon for extra antioxidants and a mild flavor boost. For additional kidney benefits, consider adding a pinch of cinnamon, which further supports circulation and anti-inflammatory effects. Avoid adding sugar, as excess sugar can stress the kidneys. Tip: drink 1 to 2 cups daily, preferably between meals, to allow your kidneys to process the detoxifying compounds efficiently. Over time, incorporating ginger tea into your routine can reduce inflammation, improve kidney filtration, and enhance overall urinary and digestive health. By enjoying ginger tea regularly, you're supporting your kidneys naturally, reducing toxin buildup, and promoting overall health in a delicious and simple way. Cranberry Detox Drink cleans urinary tract. Cranberry detox drinks are a natural and effective way to support kidney and urinary tract health. Cranberries contain proanthocyanidins, powerful compounds that prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections and irritation. This protective effect helps keep the urinary system clean and functioning properly, which is essential for maintaining healthy kidneys. In addition to supporting urinary tract health, cranberries are rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. These antioxidants reduce inflammation and oxidative stress on the kidneys, making cranberry drinks an excellent choice for those looking to maintain optimal kidney function naturally. Preparing a cranberry detox drink is easy. You can use unsweetened cranberry juice or blend fresh cranberries with water. Add a slice of lemon or a few mint leaves for enhanced flavor and additional antioxidants. Avoid adding sugar, as excess sugar can counteract the benefits and stress the kidneys. Drinking this detox regularly can help flush out toxins, improve urine flow, and promote a healthy urinary environment. Tip: aim for 1 glass of cranberry detox drink daily. For best results, combine it with proper hydration and a balanced diet rich in kidney-friendly foods. By making cranberry detox drinks a part of your routine, you're supporting cleaner urinary pathways, reducing irritation, and promoting kidney health, all with a delicious and refreshing beverage that naturally helps your body detoxify. Parsley water, powerful natural kidney cleanser. Parsley water is a simple yet highly effective natural drink for supporting kidney health and detoxification. Parsley is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help reduce inflammation, improve kidney filtration, and promote the elimination of toxins from the body. This makes it an ideal choice for seniors or anyone looking to maintain healthy kidney function naturally. One of the key benefits of parsley water is its diuretic effect, which encourages the kidneys to flush out excess fluids and waste products. This not only reduces the risk of kidney stones, but also supports overall urinary tract health. Regular consumption can help maintain electrolyte balance and prevent fluid retention, which is essential for proper kidney function. Preparing parsley water is easy. Simply boil a handful of fresh parsley leaves in water for 10 to 15 minutes, strain, and let it cool slightly before drinking. You can add a slice of lemon for flavor and extra antioxidant benefits. Drink it 1 to 2 times a day for optimal results. Avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners to keep it kidney-friendly. Tip: consistent intake of parsley water, combined with proper hydration and a kidney-supportive diet, can enhance kidney filtration, reduce toxin buildup, and promote urinary tract health. By incorporating parsley water into your daily routine, you're giving your kidneys a gentle, natural cleanse. This refreshing, nutrient-rich drink helps strengthen kidney function, flush out toxins, and maintain overall urinary and kidney wellness, making it a perfect addition to a healthy lifestyle. Incorporating these detox drinks, cucumber mint, ginger tea, cranberry, parsley water, and more into your daily routine can help your kidneys flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and support overall urinary health. Comment below which drink you're excited to try, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kidney-friendly tips.